This one is the Melon Sunrise, okay? When you see sunrise or sunset, you know it's a red bottom, okay? Usually grenadine. Okay, ice in our glass. Come behind that with some Russian water, okay? Beautiful. Followed by a bit of melon liqueur. Beautiful. Followed by a little bit of shaking, okay? Sorry, that's my phone. All right, shake, 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 shake. All right, now we put in our ice cubes. Okay, watch this now. Watch this. Watch the layers in this, homeboy. We start off with orange juice at the bottom. Okay, love it. Then we come behind that with some grenadine. Okay, you going? Where's the liquor? Where's the liquor? There's no liquor. That's when we come over the top with our melon to create this nice tropical look. Look at that. That's a beautiful drink. Okay, seriously, that is a beautiful drink. All right, little orange on the side. Say hello to tropical.